The Speserve LiveCall Manager can be accessed from your browser. To use it, you must first set up a moderated room and have scheduled a call. Instructions on how to do this can be found in the pre-call Setting Up and Scheduling a Speserve Event Call video. When the call is about to begin, log into the Speserve portal via www.speserve.com, click on the Schedule tab and find your scheduled call. Then click the Moderate button to enter the LiveCall Manager screen. The LiveCall Manager screen has a wealth of in-call features available to the user. The meeting name along with the date and time of the call is always presented at the top of the screen. The generic participant PIN is listed here and can be provided to any participants joining the call who haven't pre-registered or received an invite with their own personalised PIN. On the left of the screen is the Dial feature. This enables you to dial a new participant into the call as it's in progress, and this is useful for adding a late joiner or if one of your participants doesn't have their joining details to hand. The user simply enters the name, organisation and phone number of the person they wish to add to the call before clicking the Dial New Participant button. Once clicked, the participant will receive a call, automatically placing them into the meeting. Alternatively, you can choose to add a new speaker to the call by following the same process and clicking the Dial New Moderator button. The key thing to remember is that new participants enter the call in a muted state, whereas new speakers can be heard immediately by everyone on the call. Call details are found in the centre, and information such as the dial-in access numbers and the total duration of the call is located here. When setting up the meeting, if the user selects for participants to pre-register for the call, or for participants to be automatically dialed in as the meeting is about to begin, this information will be displayed here. Room details includes everything from the room number to whether the room is being recorded and the max number of attendees permitted on the call. If the user elects to enable participant name announcements, it can be seen here. Below here is the main dashboard. If your participants have pre-registered, such is the case for this call, they will be listed here along with their phone number. The flag icon reflects the location of the phone number that's being used to dial into the call. Someone using their UK mobile, in the USA for example, will still show up with the UK flag. If a participant has been dialed into the call while the call is in progress, via the Dial New Participant button, a small outbound icon will also appear next to their number. When Record Name Announcements is enabled, the play icon activates a sound file of the participant's name, which is collected upon entry to the call. If participants have not pre-registered, their number will appear in the list as they join the call, but their name and organisation will remain unknown. For the sake of call security, when a participant has not been registered, their attendance can be queried by the moderator by playing their name announcement or by taking them to the lobby where you can speak to them directly to identify who they are, what organisation they are from, and so on. As the moderator, if you are satisfied that a participant is meant to be there, their details can be updated instantly by clicking the Save icon. Once you are satisfied that all attendees are present, you can lock the call by clicking the blue icon located in the top right corner. Each participant has their own personalised PIN, which they receive upon registration and use to join the meeting. These PINs uniquely identify them and are always displayed next to the participant's name, organisation and phone number. The status of the participant is displayed in the next column. If participants join the call before the call manager arrives, they are placed on hold music, which is indicated here as waiting. When they have successfully joined, this will be displayed as joined, along with the time they joined the call. The total number of participants who have joined the call can be seen in the top right corner. Typically, an event call will run to a specific schedule. A host speaker will talk for X amount of time, before another speaker talks for X minutes, and then the floor may be opened for a Q&A before the call finishes. Sometimes, a participant may want to ask a question mid-presentation. When they press star 2 on their keypad, Question will appear in the status box, meaning the call manager can see exactly who is asking the question. To avoid a disruption to the flow of the meeting, the call manager can take those asking a question into the lobby by checking the In Lobby box. The lobby is an area away from the main conference where you can speak privately with other participants or speakers, and there is no limit to the number of people who can be taken to the lobby. Here, any questions that appear can be assessed by the call manager for urgency or importance. If the person's question is a feasible objection to the flow of the meeting, they can then be unmuted by unchecking the mute function. On the other hand, if the person asking a question is believed to be disruptive to the flow of the meeting, say they repeatedly ask a question when they have been asked to wait to the end, they can be disconnected by the call manager by clicking the Hang Up button. Once hung up, the participant's status will be displayed as disconnected. When a participant is disconnected, or they are experiencing connection problems and drop off from the call, the option to bring them back into the call becomes available. This can be done by simply clicking Redial, which will appear in the action column.